Welcome back to the channel. um it's Mo, and welcome to a new video. So guys, as you can see, I dropped my daughter off to school. I came back, I was like, still have some energy or whatever, so I cleaned my bathroom, made my bed, and I'm not tired, I'm just like a little bit out of breath, so I'm just gonna relax for a couple minutes. I want to go to the bike store today, so I'm gonna relax for a couple minutes, take my shower. I feel like eating some oatmeal, so I might make some oatmeal, eat that before I go. Yeah. Guys, I finally got around to doing my hair. My daughter actually did it for me, I didn't do it. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. So guys, this is my hair. My daughter blew my hair out last night and tried to flat iron it. And this was the ending result, guys. I was like, oh shoot. And mind you, I have not, as I said, I haven't blown up my hair, put any kind of heat on my hair for the last 2.5 years. So yeah, I'm very excited. I felt so like, oh my God, look at my hair. When I first cut off my hair and decided to go natural, I never expected my hair would be that long. Because at first, I didn't really know how to maintain my hair. So I would just wash my hair, but then I start getting onto YouTube and stuff like that, and I see like different process people use or whatever, and I start using them. Like, I used to be washing my hair and blow drying my hair and all that stuff, and then after I start watching YouTube, I start learning a lot about my hair, and yeah, now look at it. This is all natural. Alright guys, I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna relax. As I said, it is hot. I am hot. It's not hot. I am hot. Big boy is moving now. This morning he was kind of quiet. Now he started moving, so I'm very excited about that as well. But I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so welcome back. It is now after 11. So after I finished doing my house chores this morning, I was knocked out. I was knocked out. I didn't wake up until about maybe like 10:40 or something like that, and I had to get out the house and get ready. So when I got up, I called the bike store to see how much they're gonna charge. This mofo gonna talk about $45. Basically, for the bike, all you have to do is put on the, yes, I can do it, and I haven't figured it out, so it pays, right? So basically, I have to put on the pedals and put on the handles or whatever. And this man gonna look me in the face, not look me in the face, but because I was on the phone, talk about $45. $45 plus tax make it $48. But $45, you guys are ridiculous. What the? Anyway, so I'm on my way there because I really need to get done. I have my stuff to take back to Marshall because I'm en route. I will be en route to Marshall as well. And stop at Dunkin' Donut. And with my rewards, I was able to get me a caramel frozen. This thing is so good, oh my god. Of course, I didn't eat breakfast. When I got up, I ate a banana. And I don't even know what I'm gonna cook today. But yeah, guys, I'm on my way there. Guys, so I came to this place to get this bike put together. It's a 20-inch girl bike. Do you know how much I paid? $69.88. $69.88. Unfreaking believable. Believe it. I cannot believe it. Whew. Anyway, it's what I had to do. So
early the next morning.
hey guys, good morning and welcome back. It is another day. I didn't close out the vlog yesterday, so I figured I'll just continue. But ooh, I just finished my doctor appointment, and blood pressure was a little high, so she moved up my induction date like almost a week. So but I don't think I even start to ovulate.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Let me ovulate. I don't think I start to dilate as yet, because when she checked, oh my god, it was so painful. I did. Anyway, that's enough excitement. I have a dress to take back at that dress I bought yesterday. I have to take it back, and I'm pretty sure the store don't open until 9:30. So I'm gonna probably, where can I go? I think Ross open at 8. I don't really need anything. I just want to kill some time. So I'm probably gonna stop at Ross, and then I go to Marshall, return this, then I go to the post office, because I don't want to go to the post office because I have to pass Marshall to get to the post office, and I'm not doing back and forth. But anyway, guys, I'll catch you guys later. I gotta go home, and for the next couple of days I gotta finish getting everything ready. I have to wash the rest of baby clothes, sterilize his bottles, put up his car seat, and his bouncers, swing, or whatever. That's all I have to do, and then it's time to go to the hospital. I'll meet my little man in a few days, guys. I'm so excited. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Bye.